Ever wondered how to make the perfect Thai green curry with chicken at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets to this vibrant and flavorful dish that will transport your taste buds straight to the heart of Thailand. First things first, gather these ingredients: chicken breast, Thai green curry paste, coconut milk, bamboo shoots, bell peppers, green beans, fish sauce, brown sugar, lime juice, Thai basil leaves, and cooked rice. Ready? Let's dive into the heart of this culinary adventure. Begin by heating a generous amount of coconut milk in a pot, then add a couple of tablespoons of Thai green curry paste. Stir them together until they blend, releasing a fragrant aroma that will awaken your senses. Next, it's time to introduce the chicken. Slice your chicken breast into bite-sized pieces and add them into the pot. Let them cook until they're no longer pink. This step infuses the chicken with the rich flavors of the curry paste and coconut milk. Now it's time to bring in some crunch. Stir in bamboo shoots, sliced bell peppers, and green beans. These ingredients add a fresh and crisp texture that balances the creaminess of the curry. For the seasoning, sprinkle in some fish sauce for that authentic Thai flavor. Add a bit of brown sugar for a hint of sweetness and squeeze in some lime juice for a tangy kick. Stir everything together and let it simmer. The magic happens here as all the flavors meld together. The final step? Waiting until the vegetables are tender and the chicken is cooked through. Remember, good food takes time, and patience is key to achieving the perfect balance of flavors. Once everything is cooked to perfection, serve this mouth-watering curry hot over a bed of cooked rice. But the garnish is the final touch. Sprinkle it generously with Thai basil leaves. Their unique flavor lends an irreplaceable touch to this dish, making it truly Thai. And there you have it, the perfect Thai green curry with chicken, made right in your own kitchen. A symphony of flavors, textures, and colors. This dish is sure to impress anyone who tastes it. So why wait? Embark on this Thai culinary adventure today and bring a piece of Thailand into your home.